Ever feel totally fine, but then boom, your medical checkup says your liver's in trouble? How does that even happen? You don't feel any pain, you look fine in the mirror, but your liver could be quietly screaming for help. Yup, that's the thing about your liver. It's one of the hardest working, least complaining organs in your body, until it's too late. Let's talk real. Liver damage isn't just about drinking too much alcohol. Sure, that's the classic one. But there are so many other sneaky causes, ones you're probably doing every day without even realizing it. First up, sugar overload. You probably think sugar just makes you gain weight, right? Nope. Fructose, especially in sodas and sweet drinks, goes straight to your liver and turns into fat. This can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is now more common than liver damage from alcohol. Next, sleep, or lack of it. Poor sleep messes with your body's natural rhythm and puts your liver on overdrive, trying to regulate blood sugar and detox processes. Chronically bad sleep equals long-term liver stress. Then there's the painkillers. Popping paracetamol or ibuprofen too often? Bad news. These meds are fine occasionally, but overuse, especially mixed with alcohol, can seriously hurt your liver. Now this one's easy to miss. Processed foods. We're talking about instant noodles, sausages, packaged snacks. They're full of additives and trans fats. Your liver has to work double just to break them down. Keep doing this every day? It adds up. Chronic stress. Yeah, that too. Stress increases cortisol, which leads to inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which can hit your liver hard. You don't see it, but it's happening under the radar. Another big one, missing key nutrients. Your liver needs vitamins like E, B12, zinc, but modern diets? Not always helpful. Too many carbs, not enough fiber or quality protein. It's a slow hit on your liver function. And here's the shocker, fasting too aggressively. Wait, isn't fasting supposed to be healthy? Yes, if done right, but skipping meals without proper hydration or going overboard can throw your liver into metabolic chaos. It's like putting the engine into overdrive without oil. So, how many of these sound familiar? The good news? Your liver is incredibly resilient. It can heal if you give it the chance. Clean up your diet, fix your sleep, drink more water, manage stress. Simple stuff, big difference. Don't wait till the damage is visible. Start now because your liver's been showing up for you non-stop. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about.